Meaning of impregnate.
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 Impregnate. The term impregnate refers to the act of fertilizing or making something pregnant, typically used in reference to animals or plants. The process involves introducing male reproductive cells, such as sperm, into a female reproductive system so that an egg can be fertilized and pregnancy can occur. In other contexts, impregnate can also mean to saturate or permeate a substance with another material. For example, fabric can be impregnated with a waterproofing agent to make it water-resistant. Overall, the term is used to describe a process of introduction or saturation resulting in a change or development within the target entity.